Hi everyone. So, ano ba yung pwede natin gawin dito sa Kaiser portal using the amendment form online? So, once na nakalagin na tayo dito sa kaiserhealthgroup.net, under the resources, click natin to. Process amendment here. Then may mga option tayo dito sa e-forms. Basically, ito yung updating, redating, change address, email address, change plan holder beneficiary mode, pay your owner, upgrading yung plan, replacement of lost contract or ID policy. Let's say, for example, magpapalit ka na ng beneficiary, click mo lang yan, then click nyo po itong add order form. So, okay mo lang siya, then click mo itong fill up form. Basically, meron lang din siyang amendment form or processing fee na 300 pesos for that. Yan. So, fill upan mo lahat ng details mo dito. Kunyari, change name of plan holder. Yan kung kinasal ka na. Kailangan mo ring mag-upload ng necessary documents such as birth certificate, marriage certificate as necessary. Okay? Dito yung change beneficiary, basically yung full name, birth date, tsaka relationship to the owner. Yan. Tapos, change new member. Pwede ka ring mag-set dito whatever na changes. Transfer of ownership, basically kung 18 years old na siya. So, upon initial application before, kung minor siya, tapos 18 years old na siya or above, so dito, transfer of ownership. Yan. Tapos, e-signature, then click mo na yung submit form. And you need to pay the 300 pesos for that. Kunyari, babayaran mo na siya. Assuming na na-fill upan mo na lahat, click mo yung pay now. Then from here, fill upan mo lahat ng details. Email mo, billing address, etc. So, ganun lang po siya. Then, wait lang din natin na mag-take effect yung mga changes na binago natin.